Have you ever thought that we would be in a situation like this? Locked at home, not able to meet family and friends, can't move freely outside, taking so many precautions? This whole COVID episode has changed our lives drastically. Result is uncontrolled levels of stress. Because nobody knows when this is going to end, we have to start learning to deal with it. An unplanned and improper schedule builds up a lot of stress and makes us feel fatigued. So it's very important to have a properly made schedule. While making it, first start with the time you go to sleep rather than the time you get up, because the time you wake up depends on the time you go to bed. Also, while setting up your timetable, provide a time frame for each task instead of pointing to the exact numbers. For example, go for a walk between 5 pm to 6 pm is always better than go for a walk at 5 pm. This gives you enough motivation to do things because you have set up sufficient time slots. It is completely okay if certain things are not done as planned. It is not going to be the end of the world. Prioritizing your tasks helps you focus on what is important and leaves you with little stress. Take regular short breaks during the day. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly 5 times. This provides the brain with the necessary fuel it requires, the oxygen. Just stand up and do some stretches every hour if you are in a sitting job. This helps with the blood circulation and makes you feel less tired. Keep a water bottle at your desk and sip small amounts of water every now and then to keep your body hydrated. Make exercise a part of your daily routine. Exercise activates all the necessary hormones that are needed for the body and releases all the unwanted ones that actually stir emotions of stress. The kinds of food we take also have a great impact on our hormones. It is important to take healthy and balanced diet in required amounts. Nutrition plays a major role in combating stress because when the body feels good, the mind follows. We have often heard as kids that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We need to feed our brains with fun and entertainment too. Plan those activities that make you happy and make time for the same. No medicines cure better than happiness. The very most important thing to boost our creativity is to have a hobby. Cultivate a hobby that brings up all the charm in you. Do you know that when we are busy working on something we like, our brain stops wandering around all those unnecessary thoughts? Having a hobby actually helps with stress management. Your creations make you feel contented. And finally, break the worry habit before it breaks you. Humans have the capability of dreaming things that don't even happen most of the time. Unnecessarily worrying about something does no good to us. Most ailments are a result of worries. Develop a mindset to welcome anything that comes your way. It requires practice to master it, but it's not impossible. I hope these things help you to a greater extent overcoming stress during these uncertain times.